when you're dealing with performance issues in any system, you always want to just try and find the culprit, find the root cause. And there's no difference between a legacy system or a new system. The way that you debug it is you find out, okay, which part is the part that's slowing me down? Maybe it's the rendering because you're rendering too many cells or something like that, or you didn't cache something correctly on the front end. Maybe it's something on the back end where you're also not caching something, right? Or maybe a computation takes too long. Or maybe you can offload the computation and you can already stream in the results of everything that is available early into the front end and then stream in the slower parts later and, create a nice user interface where you're using skeletons or something like that. Because not every performance bottleneck is fixable, right? So you also want to evaluate, can I fix this performance bottleneck? Or do I just have to conceal it? And there are certain ways that you can do that, right? Spinners, loading skeletons, and all of these things make your app feel fast, even though it might not really be fast behind the scenes. And there is no general rule on how to fix any performance bottleneck because it really depends on your situation. So the things that I mentioned earlier with like slow database queries or like too much rendering, not having virtualized lists or whatever, those are just very common ones, but it is really very special to each individual problem.